Say hello to the smartphone that'll redefine your tech game, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro is packed with jaw-dropping features and a sleek design that'll make you the envy of your tech circle. Let's start with the display, a stunning 6.83-inch screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. Translation, smoother scrolling, fluid animations, and a viewing experience that'll make your eyes pop. Now, let's talk cameras. The Reno 13 Pro flaunts a mind-blowing 230MP main camera. Yes, you heard that right, 230MP plus a 13MP ultra-wide and a 2MP macro lens. Selfie lovers rejoice. The 82MP front camera ensures you capture every detail in perfect clarity. Battery life got you down? Not with the Reno 13 Pro. Its 6500 mAh battery means you can game, stream and scroll all day without worrying about running out of juice. And when you do need to charge, the 100W ultra-fast charging gets you back to full power in no time. Performance? This baby's packing 5G connectivity, making multitasking a breeze. And with 64GB of storage and 4GB of RAM, you've got plenty of room for all your apps, photos and more. But wait, there's more. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro features a premium design with a unique mini display on the back, because who said tech can't be stylish? So are you ready to take your smartphone experience to the next level? The Oppo Reno 13 Pro is here to make 2025 the year of tech innovation.